Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the more advanced settings. At first we have to click on the button at the right corner here. And now we move to the left corner to the settings, and by tapping on this we get access to the camera settings. So from here we have to slide down to the quick settings, and at the last position we have the scan QR code button, and by tapping on this we can easily turn on and turn off the scanning QRs on this device. So I recommend you to keep turning it on because this is useful, because we don't need any other app to scan QR codes and we can do it by just using the camera app. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.